This video I will explain how to identify fake UPI IDs or scam UPI IDs. First we will see what is UPI ID. UPI ID is like an email address for sending and receiving money. Scammers create fake UPI IDs that look real, so they can trick you into sending money. Understanding how to spot these fake IDs can protect you from losing money. You have to check if the UPI ID looks strange or random. Normal UPI ID usually follow the simple pattern, such as name at bank name, mobile number at bank name. Fake UPI IDs often look suspicious, like random letters or numbers, missing proper names, extra characters that make no sense. And if you see UPI ID looks messy, random, or unprofessional, it may be fake. You have to look at the bank handle. A UPI ID ends with something like this. These endings are called bank handles. Scammers create fake handles, and here you can see the examples of fake handles. If the handle looks slightly changed or strange, treat it as a warning sign. You have to beware of UPI IDs pretending to be official. Scammers often pretended to be customer care, banks, government, and Google Pay support. They use fake names like this. No real companies never contact you from such UPI IDs. No official organization will ask you to send money to a help or support UPI ID. You have to check the name shown in Google Pay. When you enter UPI ID in Google Pay, you will see the name linked to the account. If the name does not match the person, looks fake, looks unrelated, has spelling mistakes, is completely different from what they told you, then it is likely not correct or real UPI ID. You have to avoid UPI IDs shared in messages from unknown people. Scammers often send UPI IDs through WhatsApp, SMS, social media, and unknown phone calls. They may claim you won a prize. You will get a refund. You need to pay a small fee. They are from Google Pay or your bank. If the UPI ID comes from stranger, do not trust it. You do not trust UPI IDs that ask for verification. Scammers may say send rupees 1 to verify your account. Send a small amount to activate your reward. Make a test payment. No bank or company asks for payment just to verify anything. These are fake requests. You have to check for spelling errors. Fake UPI IDs often contain misspelled names, wrong bank handles, extra letters, numbers added to look real. Here you can see the example of fake UPI IDs. Correct spelling is very important. Even a small mistake could mean ID is fake. You have to understand real organizations do not use personal UPI IDs. If someone claims to be from big company but gives a personal looking UPI ID, like here you can see the examples, then it is fake. Real organizations use official payments pages or QR codes, not personal UPI IDs. You have to trust only verified sources. If someone claims a payment is needed, then visit the official website, use the official app, do not rely on UPI ID given by the person directly. Always confirm from a source you trust. Now we will see simple safety rule. If your UPI ID looks strange, unofficial, misspelled, or comes from an unknown person, do not send money. Always double check the name, the bank handle, and the purpose of the payment before sending anything.